The school's in Walsall, in Willenhall. Walsall is known as one of the most deprived places in England, in the UK actually. We have a very high level, almost 50% of deprivation, but we also have a very high level of EAL children. Lovely diverse culture. It's wonderful that we have such a diverse culture. This area hadn't had any work on it since probably 15-20 years, so it needed to be really updated and really improved and brought up to spec for our children, our current children. It's an extension of the classroom. As a classroom would have different areas for different zones of learning, this is the same out here as well. I wanted very much a separated areas for the children, so it could be zoned if need be, but also give them areas where they could develop their physical skills, such as riding bikes, things like that for them. So it's really good for them to have a mixture of porous areas and grass areas as well. So the school's in Walsall, in Willenhall. Walsall is known as one of the most deprived places in England, in the UK actually. We have a very high level, almost 50% of deprivation, but we also have a very high level of EAL children, lovely diverse culture. It's wonderful that we have such a diverse culture, but outside areas like this are so important because, yes, it's predominantly a nursery, early years area, but I can bring up my year 5, 6s here. I can bring up my year 3, 4s if they need to, and they can develop their language and their learning through play. And again, they don't have access to outdoor areas as well. So again, it's bringing the outdoors, such as creating a beach for them, because many of them haven't been to a beach. So they can come up here, we can make a beach area for them and have those sort of experiences for them. It's a huge help for them because first of all we use it as a regulation zone for them, so if they're getting overwhelmed they can come up here when it's quiet and empty and use that for a brain break or a sensory circuit. They come up here and develop their physical skills with some of the climbing equipment that we've got. Also obviously there's the communication and language with again, zoning the areas for what they need, and social skills as well. They can come up when other children are in here, or a small number of children here, and they can learn to share and engage with their peers on the same level as them. Well again, as I say, Walsall's such a deprived area. The local council use us as a holiday club, which is run by some of our staff, so it's open to local children, and we're going to let the children use that area as well. So again, it's having access to safe places that they can, outside places that they won't have access to. They get a meal, they get to come and play games, activities, interact with friends as well, and have a good time in the holiday. I do want to work with Pentagon again because I have a SEND room in particular, and again I want to develop that with a specific SEND outdoor area as well. So especially with the new white paper around the SEND reforms, it will be very advantageous to develop an outside area.